Hello my lovely peoples, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any skincare related review videos. Today we are diving deep into this glowing bottle right here. This is a Glutaglow face serum which promises brighter, healthier skin, of course with some actives. But does it really work? Let's see it. What is the Kaya Glutaglow face serum all about? First of all, this is the outer packaging and clearly we can see the actives mentioned in the outer box. 2% liposomal glutathione. I hope I have pronounced it right. 2% clear blanch 2. 1% alpha arbutin and vitamins. So there are 4 active ingredients. Let's see it one by one what's their use. Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant known to fight dullness and reduce pigmentation. Clear blanch helps to brighten up the complex. That will help out to even out our skin. Alpha arbutin, a tried and tested ingredient for fading dark spots and discoloration. And of course, vitamin C for that radiance and antioxidant protection. Designed for people who are dealing with pigmentation, discoloration and dullness of course. Let's talk about the texture, but first let me show how the product looks inside. This is the bottle which comes with dropper and I really love the packaging. The golden and white tone makes it so elegant. Let me show you the texture. It's lightweight, non-sticky and absorbs pretty fast as you have seen. Perfect for layering in your AM and PM routine. I usually use 2 to 3 drops on a regular basis after cleansing my face, and of course if you are using in a daytime, don't forget to use your sunscreen. I have been using this serum for the past 6 days and trust me, I have seen a bit difference in my skin texture and the discoloration around my mouth has faded a bit. Of course, like I have tried for the 5 days only straight, but I will be continuing this, and for the further more updates I'll post on my YouTube shorts. So that's why I'm saying if you are new here, do subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any updates. The most important thing, I didn't face any irritation. So my skin type is quite normal, so this is ideal for normal skin tone. But if you are a sensitive skin person, do a patch test, but this will not irritate your skin type as well. But of course if you are from a oily skin family, don't try this, I would suggest, because this might feel bit heavy on your skin. And after a regular usage, you will definitely see a slight pigmentation reduction and your skin will also feel a bit brighter. But yeah, make sure to follow as I have mentioned. If you are wearing in a daytime, don't forget to use your sunscreen, and of course in night time after applying this, do apply your moisturizer. And as I go to office in the morning, so this perfectly sits under my makeup as well. So I think yeah, it's ideal for skincare routine and for the makeup as well. Now if you ask me who can use this, then the answer is clearly if you are dealing with dullness, pigmentation or like dark spots, you can definitely use this product. But if your skin type is different from oily skin, you can try this product. It will be pretty good and I don't think this will irritate your skin. But of course the disclaimer is do a patch test, then only apply all over your face. One more thing I would to highlight here, if you are using any other actives, do use this on a alternative days. Don't like mix this with other actives that can irritate your skin and end up like with many problems. As I have already shown you the bottle, it's come in the sleek bottle, comes with dropper, which is very convenient to use, super hygienic. If we talk about price, then price wise I feel it's fall under mid-range. But if you consider the actives, then I think this is a pretty good amount that we are paying for this bottle. You can grab this from Kaya website, Nykaa, Amazon and other e-commerce platform as well. But I'll make sure to insert the link in my description box so that it will be handy for you. And let's talk about my final thoughts about the product. The Kaya Gluta Glow Face Serum is a win if you are seeking help in brighten up your skin or reduction in pigmentation or like uneven skin tone or like some dark spots. If you are facing this all issues, then this product is like, do give it a try. You will definitely see some results, but like do give some time so that product can show its result. Don't be like in hurry ki I have told you ki in 5 days I have seen some results so that even you can see the same thing. No, as every skin type is different, so maybe for your skin this takes a bit longer time, or maybe like you can get the result within less than 5 days. So like it's pretty different for each skin type. And in the video itself I have already told you the pros and cons of this product. Like this is not ideal for the oily skin, and this is not ideal if you are using already any other actives. If you are using on that case, then do use in alternative days. And pros is like you will see the uneven skin is fading a bit, pigmentation and dark spot is reducing. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried this product already or you are planning to buy this. I would love to chit chat in the comment section. As always, stay glowing my girls, and let's meet on the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.